Guys, welcome to my channel, Random on Norm, and today I'm going to show you guys some of the highest tides I've ever seen here. We just had a storm. I just made upload a video not that long ago about showing how windy it was, dropped my phone, stuff like that. It was just a short video, thought I'd post up anyway. But yeah, I'm going to show you how fierce the tides are today. So, and the wind, of course, is still really windy out. Anyway, without further ado, let's go and see some wharfs and stages partially submerged in the water. Oh gee. Hey guys, I'm at a place now where I can capture the tide and the wind systems. What's happening right now. Like, look at this. That's insane. See what else is, we can see around here. And look at that. It's almost there's my car. Wow. That's quite incredible, I must say. You're here on the paved road, and look at this. Water's almost touching the pavement. Just like perhaps 6 feet away. This I definitely have not seen before, at least not in recent memory. Almost looks like it's getting worse. Wow. Wow, this is insane. Holy crap. I hope you enjoyed this interesting video. Yeah, I'm quite in a storm surge, and well, hopefully it'll slack off. The wind and the tide and everything will slack off. Oh. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And leave a comment down below. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long, and have a great day, everybody.